takes a strike. He's 1 out of 2 with an RBI double. High fly ball, left field and deep. Back it goes, way back, and that ball is gone. Adam Jones crushes it to deep left center field. It is 9-1 Orioles. Well, Jones homered off Moore on April 17th. He does it again. For Adam, his first home run in the month of June.
That was a bomb, too, off the bat of Adam Jones. It seemed like it was riding the rooftop the whole way. A hanging breaking ball up and out over the plate. And he just does the lean back on this one. Look at the great extension, the trajectory coming out of the screen. And both outfielders just admiring